Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says an online examination is uh, attempted by 50 candidates, out of which 20 are boys. Okay, so hopefully these guys are talking about the boys and the girls. So, suppose that this is boys and this is girls. Okay, so there are 50 candidates, so the number of boys is 20, so the number of girls could be what? 30 for sure. The average marks obtained by the boys is 12, means mean one is 12 with a variance 2, so variance 1 is 2. The variance of the marks obtained by 30 girls is also 2. So variance of this thing is also 2. Okay. Now the average marks of all 50 candidates is 15. Okay. So the average marks of all 50 candidates is 15. So we have to find out the average of the marks obtained by the girls. So look at this. If mu is the marks average marks obtained by the girls and variance square is the variance of 50 candidates, so mu plus variance. So first try to understand mu is what? Average marks obtained by the girls. So can I say that total marks equals marks obtained by boys plus marks obtained by girls? Is that okay? Now, as they are saying that the average marks of 50 candidates is 15, so the total marks would be what? 15 into 50, means each candidate is scoring 15 marks. So 50 candidates will score 50 into 15. Now these guys are talking about the boys. So total number of boys is 20 and average marks of boy is 12. So can I go with 20 into 12? Now you know that the number of girls is 30. So can I go with 30 into x? X is the, and I'll go with mu. Okay, now divide both sides by 10. So this thing, this thing, this thing. Now we will divide both sides by 3. So this thing, this thing, this thing. So can I say that it is 25 minus 8 equals mu? So it is equal to 17. Therefore, the average marks obtained by the girl is 17. So mu is 17. Correct? So variance, this variance is the variance of all 50 candidates. Okay, so this is talking about the total boys and the girls together. Okay, so we will apply the formula. What was that formula? Formula was variance of combined, then n1 variance 1, n2 variance 2, then n1 plus n2 plus n1 n2 upon n1 plus n2 whole square, and then mean 1 minus mean 2 square. I hope this formula is correct. Okay, now focus on n1. N1 is 20. So 20, variance 1 is what? 2. N2 is 30, variance 2 is what? 2. And then n1 plus n2 it is 50. Now n1 n2, so 20, 30, 50, 50, and then mean 1 minus mean 2 square. So mean 1 is 17, mean 1 is 12, mean 2 is 17. So it is minus 5 square is 25. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Let's do the simplification part. Let's simplify by 10. This thing, this thing, this thing, this thing. 5, 5, 25. This thing done. Okay, so we are left with 4 plus 6 by 5 plus we have 6. So numerator is 10. So 5 2s are 10. So can I say that the variance of combined class is 8? Okay, so variance of combined class is 8 and mu is 17. So mu plus variance will become what? 25. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situation. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.